Yes, I wanna do today. This prolific and ganchious evening. When I welcome to Wazobia TV. And as an announce with the drum, this one at the show we call BOBOS Yarn.
Yes,
when I welcome. When I know say every time we come giving all those get topics them, the things we say they concern BOBOS and babies them. Onto marriage things, single things, and so many other things. So we say we carry songe them. On top today, we get one prolific bros with us inside our
You're
bar
not going to introduce me first before the bros. Which one be?
My criminal day.
Don't forget me.
Yes, as an adult Sam so when I know say we get our prolific bros.
Yeah.
This one now with a cut hand for them. Anytime, any day, all the way from Warri. We're
representing the male section.
Yes. Egos, the comedian.
My people agree to now. The truth be say,
The prince of Wazobia.
I be worried about the hustle for Lagos. Not let them deceive you.
So now this bar you want to say you want hustle.
Now Lagos before call.
This bar no complain now enjoyment we now would enjoy. Discuss matters affecting the heart.
My brother, as I did so, if you are in marriage, you know that there's a lot of matters affecting not only the heart, even the liver, the kidney,
everywhere the pockets.
So for me, I be worried about when marrying a woman, so I didn't go to anywhere. So we have issues, not matters.
Oh, that look at is able Fino.
You know?
Fino.
My first cousin,
Your first cousin, very good. Yes, the matter we carry on now today, they're very, very, very delicate. We just want to ask one simple question. We want to ask on and say, man, suppose marry woman will not suffer with time before he can reach that level. When I know say when man they hustle, we they get those babes and from our sides, them those ones where they love us and those ones where they tell us, then go nyimu, we go see where go reach. We get them. So we want to ask on today, man suppose marry babe will not suffer with time at all until they reach that level. Our social media portals they run through on our screen. On an ask we they do them, make they follow the talk. When they send in the tweets them for Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Even though when they send us email them, on I know every ask we they do them. Yes, bros, I go start from you. You know say as you be our experienced bros and you don't marry. So we just want to hear your own opinion from you know say as you come Lagos where you come hustle. Your wife where you marry self. Now he follow you suffer.
Now wait till I want to follow. I didn't say you know go answer that question. We want for like no.
We want no.
Because you know egos be like that kind of man where one woman go down hustle with him. You know all these comedians. Then when they don't come make him, they'll come abandon and you understand. So he go marry.
Let us hear from the horse's mouth.
First of all, my wife, I know you are watching this program. They are my enemies. We will not quarrel tonight. But to be sincere, I make not blast I should be my fly. You know, when you talk about, before I answer your question, when you talk about as a experienced man, the fact that I don't marry.
No means say the experience.
You know me say I get experience completely, but it could be like say, to never get experience.
We no get.
No, some of now even get experience past married people.
How now?
You and another friend won't get for 15 years. One friend get for 15 years.
No, but
when you want to engage that.
But friendship no be the same thing like marriage.
Oh, friendship, but they get to stay your house.
Which house? House where I no get.
And we exposed two of them in this place before I live here. But jokes apart. Back to the topic. Well, I not could say completely it is wrong for a man to marry a woman when suffer with him. And depends on how you define suffering. Because our own average Nigerian mentality, suffering as no money. But some people get money, but they are not suffering. They are suffer.
We are the suffering.
There's difference between suffering and suffer. Suffering
is
suffer. Now when we say you did for hold up. Then I hold up. But suffering, you did for go slow. You didn't move, but you see they for go slow. So you see.
So now I make Jesus Christ use the word suffer not this.
So then I once you just suffer. Just go once like that. Okay. So that's it. You know that your cousin where they suffer.
So So, but you know, bros, the thing we because this matter what they talk about today now, like matter what we say we ask so many people, mostly guys them outside we say them really full of talk about, and some of them their matter no be here, or the way we then talk and no be here, because you know say some guys they will say they hustle finish. Is it that babe leave them go because say they never reach reach that level? When they can't reach that level again, the babe come back. They try say one enter their life. That's why we can't carry that matter come. As you come there now, so when you start for Lagos, say no be like this you be when you first come Lagos.
True talk.
No be like this you be.
But not me say I don't go better pass.
Of course. No.
No, I know it.
Yeah,
I just want to put that point. Maybe you say that.
You go better pass now.
No, but Lagos, you go agree. You agree. Say make you pet the girl will suffer with you. Yeah. Now you must marry.
To be sincere, if any woman suffer with any guy, in quotes, I think literally it means say you supposed stick with that woman.
What does not be your destiny
with
that?
No, because now where most guys will say they mix them, be that. When they suffer with you, at that time, you not notice and say not be your destiny. Now when you don't hammer,
now you don't know
your destiny. So that time I would think say you need to rephrase or you need to amend your destiny so that she go fit in to that destiny.
So coming to the industry now, two people don't prove to us say they marry Puwe, suffer with them. P Square, one of them been a Peter, been a Paul, like Paul marry Lola Abi. Where she at least she go through now she suffer with them. You understand?
Which suffer? When you know the way they start to date.
She and now what to you? Me when they say now me introduce Lola give Paul now. You never hear the story before.
Yeah.
I'll tell you. Wait now they come to that one. The day when I introduce them, man, she be they hold it now. She hold it well.
Okay.
She help them. So I don't understand where it can't be say they can't talk say if you marry her. Because say maybe not the age or something. So that's why I respect Paul. He go ahead. He still married. Two-Face. In the midst of all the Sengemenga and the plenty people, you understand?
My brother. Just leave that Two-Face matter.
He go back to his suffering.
I know, but you ask me leave Two-Face matter. You know say that Two-Face. Now it is some musicians they deceive themselves for this country. Because they quote that word. Even though you not finish school, some people they don't take it. say he drop out from school, but he make him. My brother, now Two-Face in 1 million, I make able.
Yes, we know now Two-Face.
True. For this matter, so now Two-Face in 1 million, but it's not really. I think Two-Face case not be really say she suffer with Two-Face. Now say Two-Face no say not find anybody, he not love anybody
than they love.
No, I don't think about love. I feel say Two-Face don't realize say anybody where he go and love now they either love him for who he be.
Nah lie, my brother. As I did so, I don't marry. But as I did so, if I get chance, say make a single,
remarry again.
I'm not gonna make her be Dangote, so that anybody won't love my money. So like you, they love my money.
So you go like the
Come
fakeness.
on, go and sleep.
You go like the fakeness, but girl, we don't take care.
Now you they look and say na fakeness.
Na fakeness now.
No, let me tell you something. My father will tell us. He say, we know that eye service is not good, but at least eye service is better than no service.
Or no network.
Exactly. So for that case, well, I go feel say now, when two people don't be, the Two-Face and Idibia they beyond just suffering. They are friends.
You don't see them from plantation boys.
True.
That girl.
Because I know say all the way from African Queen era.
No, African Queen even knew. Plantation boys. You
era.
go see when Two-Face be they wear fubu jeans. That one where they get pinafore. Now Annie, don't tell with her. I don't want to tell you the story because you don't say me. I don't grow with this.
But I go think say we suppose even hail Honey.
Yes.
To me, na Honey. Now accept Two-Face back.
Yes.
Because Two-Face mess up along the line.
Yeah, but you don't know whether maybe. No,
but whether I like it or
you say when they say accept them back.
Yes.
I don't make off camera. I don't say camera so they pick.
Forget if camera no one pick.
They say accept them back. You know anybody being there. If now you be Two-Face and I be Annie. Oh no, sorry, I be Two-Face. You be Annie. I don't.
Why because you want to be Two-Face and me come be Annie?
Now me they tell the story.
No, make I be Two-Face. Me you be.
No, make I tell the story.
Don't tell me now. Okay. I tell us story.
Okay. Now,
so no. Now, if I can't be that, if I be Two-Face, you be Annie. I don't come blue like this. You for like, say all your suffering for my life. And that person can't enjoy it.
In the first place, I go ask, what if they suffering?
My brother.
It's not about now when they mix them. It's just like they say for you to know the true character of a man, Now when the man don't make money.
True.
Even we are with the young, yes, so I never know tomorrow whether my character will change when I make one kind amount of money.
But you don't make now.
No, for waiting now. So they take this body. I define shows, so I get family.
That's the way don't make, and you don't change character already.
No, I mean they making.
Now we don't come give you what to drink here. You say you don't want drinks, then I champagne you define.
I don't worry, I go drinks.
Okay.
Now, for the two-face own, you say, we dey look and say, okay, not just only the suffering, like, I dey follow and they trek, I dey follow and they do all these things. Two-face fame when he get, the so successful two-face get. If you know two-face one, when you find out, say, the challenges when follow that thing was too much on him. So maybe at the time, he could get to realize, say, he don't make mistakes. So
yes.
And if he gets correct the mistake back, he don't mind. And he go back to Annie.
Which it takes a great man to do that.
Exactly. And also take a great woman to accept you. Because when they talk, now let one advantage with the talk. When woman mess up, we know they see him. When we mess up on woman's side, we go say, please just.
But
just
you know, say
us.
to say the man when they come back to your life, no hold it.
True.
No, woman no go agree.
For this junction, my people waiting for house. So now as we do this one another dimension of BOBOS yarn. I know say every where Eagles on the yarn since when I don't understand them. Make you do a go for street. Now see BOBOS yarn on top of Wazobia TV. No move. Don't move.
Let no understand.
Don't move.
Take it.
Yes. This one I go for street. And as I tell you now before, say this one another dimension of BOBOS yarn. Now we get Eagles for inside our bar today. Bros, I really need attention there on you now.
Okay.
Give us your own opinion as a man. On top of what we talk about today, we be man suppose marry woman will suffer with him. I beg, what be your own in-depth opinion on top of?
Okay, my own in-depth opinion about if you not fit deal with woman when you don't make I go advise you make you not waste the woman time when you dey start from your humble beginning, because it dey very very painful. It just like say the person they see you they commit assassin, like you they kill the person slowly, because nothing bad first when papa it's just like papa when they train pikin. When the pikin they crawl, they take all those nonsense. When the pikin the process of growing. Then when the pikin don't come big, people tell the papa say, say me na man now. Why they talk to me like that? Now I don't forget say this na papa when take all those mess just because the papa won't give the pikin a better future. That's what you supposed to see him.
You get what I want. You get what I want.
So
You know say when the way talk say man woman not suffer with man now. Kind of say you suppose either end up with that one because she don't go through all this stress with you. We know they check say the future of this man. For instance now, good luck Jonathan. He no say he go be president one day for future. You know say you say he no, say he go be president. If I no marry,
if I no do it,
you understand?
Now you see the destiny.
No. You don't say no.
Not you say no. Because bros,
because if we don't get things like there is God or we go come
no. I'm just saying that point.
You know check your future.
Other points where they bring down. I don't feel say Italy into it with they talk.
Yes.
No.
Because
why you
go say I never really talk because I really want to learn.
No, you're not there for long. You never talk
at all. I do. That's what I did today. Now, bros. I beg. You feel say some men they put sentiments into that thing where they make them marry some of those babes.
Men they put sentiments, but I go say advise people again. I still dey young for marriage, but I go let say, me say I don't get friends before I marry my wife. I don't know whether some of you understand, but the truth is not marry out of pity. Some people dey for marriage or relationship. They don't deal with this. Sometimes you go meet woman. I'm not going to say that my wife be the first woman I meet.
No, we know now. You see they even meet.
I know they meet.
Now what do you?
I'm not like you.
So you feel say that because person don't marry, they faithful.
He's a faithful husband.
Egos, where I know, comedian, crack joke, give woman. Any girl if crack, she laugh.
Wait, so you can't think say comedians are not responsible?
No, I'm also responsible.
No, you are not.
Let me tell you what I'm saying.
If you are, you won't talk like that because that means that we all of us did the same industry. That
If
means we are not responsible. Clean your eyes before you clean other people.
If I be a man of God, before we leave this bar, I want to see if you no go fall.
Thank God say God not call you. But the truth is, whether the driver be say, if you not love person, not marry him out of pity. Why sometimes a relationship where we say people don't date into maybe like 4 or 5 years, maybe they are for their struggling stage, it's not like say many of them get the intention to enter that relationship and they say they won't leave and when they don't make them. Some enter with the first impression, say they like this person, they won't deal with this person. But when they call it the relationship, not waiting they see for outside, not being they see for inside. So to pull out, one old man before when I see this secondary school, he tell me one thing that time, I mean, group of friends, he say, you not go make you tell woman say you not do again. So he said, but once I say, okay, how you want to tell the woman say you not do again? He said there are different ways you can tell the woman, which will not be discussed now. So some people not fit tell the woman.
No, but for bar here, will they discuss anything?
I know.
No, will they discuss?
No, we go enter that section.
So that level
now,
you can't dey manage relationship, manage. Now, you can't reach where you can't strike, you can't make up. You can't be like say you don't go wins. So now for you to take your decision because you want to move to the next level, like you say, man, this babe, I not feel.
But you know if you blame the guy because the guy the babe feel no look like where he they go.
Where I go blame the guy say if you don't know on time, he go make you just cut your coat according to your size.
No, but why the guy no follow and they move into the face of your life?
Make we don't enter this argument right now because you guys do CC opinion. When we come back, we go see they talk, they go.
The place.
CC opinion.
Where you go?
Don't go anywhere.
Go forward.
Stay there.
Backslide.
CC opinion. Yes, when I welcome back and still BOBOS here on top Wazobia TV. If you just join us, you don't miss but you never still miss because today all day very splofik. The topic we're going to talk about today now, man suppose marry babe where you suffer with. That are the matter we will talk about today because when we don't really talk, and Eagles said they inside our bar today, you don't really follow us talk. We don't do I go for street. Showman said they here. We don't talk plenty things. Eagles don't really follow us talk. And now we don't really section where we call CC opinion. And as I tell you now, say BOBOS and this time around they very, very different and it is splofik. I beg, as I talk to now, so I get one sweet hotel poop
inside studio with me. I want to introduce her. I beg.
Why we say if you reach woman on like this showman, all this your juju you pack for hand will just on
No,
DSTV.
you know why I want to introduce her? I talk before we go on break, say Eagles go fall. Say he go backslide. When we just go on the small break, as the CC just they walk into the bar, Eagles begin backslide. So
wait for Adekon. So you can't feel say, even as a married man, make I not admire God's creation.
Hey, introduce him.
No, because of say I see fine woman. Make I not.
No.
I think it's a free word.
Okay,
it's a free word.
I'll call this my wife because see there's a Washington because say my wife because say it's very obvious. Now lie.
One guy tell me say the reason why I'm not going to even date your marriage because if you see Genevieve now, you sleep with her. I say if you see her, you know her. You don't go.
you hug
her. That's opinion we carry come so. And we get Joyce inside our bar with us today. Joyce, thank you say you come join us today.
Hey, you will go feel. This one, even if you don't suffer with me, no problem. Great.
Good evening, how on a day?
Yes, Joyce, you don't hear what we talk about today. We just want to hear your own opinion for them. You feel say it makes sense without sentiments. Say make man marry babe way fall and suffer, before it can finally make them.
And the thing we say no be compulsory matter. Say get suffer with man no mean say you must to marry. I know person maybe say the woman when the man they build the house, she carry cement for this man. She suffer. But when they come marry, when they come finish their house, the man no matter for man to get female friends. But when the woman they see female friends with the man, she go be I suffer with this man. You know if you get friend. But waiting you know fit. I know if I carry cement for you. When you carry that woman, the man come tire. Say you're nagging don't date too much. They later divorced. Despite the fact that the woman suffer. They
Yes,
divorced
yes.
because the man couldn't, if you keep up with that nagging issue. I suffer,
My
I
dear,
suffer,
no,
I suffer.
no talk too much. You don't knock the thing because this way you talk now don't prove say we as men fit go ahead no matter what. Even the day before the wedding, we feel say we know they do.
Showman.
But that one now waiting we know say.
No,
they
wait
have
till
to
you
go.
got. Wait till you want talk now.
This man is a wicked. Now all this kind of yet now until the friend. I don't see. I campaign. See, we have to occupy our men. The women occupy your men.
Wait to occupy.
If you want to protect your man,
Yes.
say your man.
Yes.
You don't suffer with him. You can't make him. To protect your man, not you want for you to buy a bulletproof car for the man.
Hey!
So yes,
Yes.
a woman did it at federal level.
Yes.
You have to protect your man from other women to take your husband.
I'm telling you.
What are you talking about?
You know,
Because you see, even men, men they protect their women. Either you give an engagement ring, because you don't make other people look at.
but you know, say engagement is sometimes they turn to Lord of the Rings.
Yes. My friend just buy a friend now. He girlfriend car because he don't the sense. Say showman won't enter the picture. Now you don't go buy a matrix. You know say me bad guy. I don't do that now. I won't buy a 2C class.
You know what they pay me
C
pass.
class.
You know what they pay me pass for this boy. Since when you go Abuja one time, when you use one scope, saying that's church, C class, where you never
Oh,
even
this will not
smell
believe.
always
Say,
buy.
see these guys. So,
Come
man,
use
wait.
that guy
Man,
the
give
cheek.
them the juice.
Eh?
Egos. I did inside my, sit like this. That's what we did for bar. Now open L. 9 minutes, I see my C class, they move on the own. My phone been there inside the car, so I can't call my phone. The guy with the drive, they can't pick. I can't say, now my car, you dey drive, they go so. He say, so I say, if you don't want to come back with the car, tell me. He say, you know, come back. I say, okay, they go with the car. He say, but I'll go buy 2 the next day. He go. I buy 2 C class. I can't carry the 2 C class. I go church. I saw my seed. The next day, I buy range. I swear, now I buy my small Camry, say, I just know they like all this. But I tell these men, they don't want to believe me.
You know what you just talk now, eh?
Wetin?
Even you and this, our sister Joyce.
Eh.
You know, say you don't watch that super part. This is super story. The other one's not free. That one I just talk now. But my sister, I want to ask you. You say you're not compulsory. You are single, Abi? Are you from Jos?
Why are you interrogating?
No, I want to know.
Are you falling in love?
No, flavor talk
No,
something.
that question.
Tomato, Jos.
Jos.
Yes,
See?
so I want to know whether I'm from Jos.
I know from just.
Okay.
No,
So,
no,
as you don't talk the matter now, say, okay, no compulsory and all that. If now you, for instance, now, say, you follow guy hustle well, reach one particular stage, the guy can't get money, finish, carry wings up, can't look you finish, say, you no fall into limelight again. How you go feel?
The thing be say, me, personally, I no fit suffer with guy to that extent. Say be say, he go come get money. If I no fit suffer self, that's my point.
No, and I agree.
No,
and I agree.
you don't understand the suffer what they mean, no. The suffer what
Say
mean
you no get money.
when the guy see the hustle, you don't understand when the hustle never
But
really
my-
pay.
but my brother.
Wait to no vex. Why you go to horse go find girlfriend?
Oh, so because they also not making no get
no
girl.
get
No get,
I agree
you
with
ready?
you. Why man go get girlfriend when you know say the hustle?
Look at you people.
I did not have
You people
I
are-
did not have a
wait, though.
girlfriend
Can-
when I was hustling. I was only sleeping around. Sorry, I was.
Yes,
Because you people are drunk.
I
No,
don't understand though.
You are unbelievers.
Let me tell you.
How
You
can
see,
you say a man because he does not have
my
money
brother
cannot have a girlfriend?
It's the same way of saying that a girl should carry belle for you because she wants to marry you, to trap you down. If anything you are doing for somebody, if I give you money now, say I dey loan you, and I know that I cannot dash you that money, I should not loan you because you might not pay me. Anything you are doing for a man, don't take it as if it's the man's responsibility to come and marry you tomorrow.
Yes.
No, do it out of a willing and a cheerful
Good
heart.
heart.
For God loves
God.
a cheerful giver.
But tell me
What
how
are you
if
telling
you
me?
know if you come wait this thing now they pay me you know they pay
How?
me come if you can't know say you as a man you know say this babe no fall in your line why you can't start anything with am in the
No,
first
the
place?
mistake you make is say, see, you start primary 1, you maybe primary 1, me and you finish to primary 6. You can't decide as girl say you don't want to go school, you won't stop for there. I see they date you. I can't finish secondary school, go university. You see they there, my brother. It is a natural something where Samson sing. I don't go feel married because levels don't change.
Who go?
You have to.
you wait now
Who go? Joyce and
Showman.
I don't know about Joyce, so I'm campaigning for my sisters and my nieces.
Yeah.
Where did they go? Please, if any man, especially this guy, if any man come meet you say, I think I'm in love with you, please, if you just think, say, it be like say you dey in love with her, and he's still suffering.
No.
Okay, now suffer. Now hold on.
And let me tell you, any young girl.
Make her finish. And he come meet you say he want make una enter anything where say before enter shonshi. I beg, go bring form, make una sign the contract.
The agreement.
Say when you blow,
marry me?
you marry.
Oh, so you are of the people that agree that.
Yes.
So the girl now knows. You know, say the girl don't see your future. No, say you don't go hammer.
Look.
She don't go sign her. You
so,
don't know.
In fact,
any girl who go where you go meet, where they take care of you, should know that she's your sugar mommy. And what do you do with sugar mommy?
No.
You don't marry them.
My friend, leave it. I beg.
don't marry them.
As he talk this sugar mommy matter, so I won't enter away, maybe go. Because it is a regular segment we give to you people. Please, away, maybe go what was going. You went away now. In fact, so man, I'm a cook.
That's the same thing to you.
You went away. I'm a cook.
Take it outside.
I'm a cook.
The same thing to you.
Why?
Why the whole away?
Yes, so now don't see the word husband where we carry concern now today. Una see the matter before when election reach, everybody they're happy to come outside and vote. But these days now we don't know what they happen for our country.
My brother.
For the country, people know even this PVC self what they do lately, a lot of people they say they just chill say, man, nah no go collect I beg I no collect. And the thing now don't cause big people we don't agree come outside again so that we can exercise our civic rights. Or to say we they vote. I don't understand why you see
that is 2015. That the only election we don't make most Nigerians they very indecisive. We don't know whether we supposed to vote.
No.
Whether we go vote.
No. Speak for yourself.
Okay.
I am not indecisive.
No, I say most Nigerians. I know they talk.
No,
they refer to Nigerians.
Sir.
No, be you.
Yes.
Are you a Nigerian?
Look at you.
Look at this Nigerian man.
Now maybe they legalize Nigeria. But at the come on, no wonder because you not be the first person who notice say me and not look like
Nigeria, man.
I go somewhere recently, they got tell me say they say I look like Pharrell Williams. Wait. No, not be joke.
No, wait.
Look me.
Joke.
Pharrell Williams. I don't look like.
Wait, so that joke I've been a joke before. You look at Nigeria, no?
I'm Pharrell
You
Williams.
look like Fino from Igbo land.
I'm Pharrell. But to be sincere, I like that point because of 2015 election.
Yeah.
Nigerians feel they confused, like you talk of who they won't vote for. Is it possible?
No, if they want to vote.
No, they have to vote because they don't have a choice. Now we go to make our decision.
True.
Jokes apart.
Yes.
Whether you like it or not, you know, you go weigh your options and look who you know so you go feel vote for you. But I think for like this lady Mata will bring come that time. You know, I think I would like to encourage more girls.
What's because concern you back to the lady?
No, because
Maybe go back
Valentine
to that one.
Valentine
Valentine
come.
is-
When I tell you say this guy go back slide for this,
No.
what's it concern this girl with election?
Because time no be our friend, so I want me you give me
Who
your
go?
last take.
Who
Also
go?
the matter.
No, they
Some
bring
man,
Igor,
I'ma
no Igor, so they call it back again. What it concern
In fact,
Valentine
for
with
today,
election?
I am angry with you because
What did you
in
say,
a
Igor?
kunyana bamnante.
Hey,
Igor, you want to fire down?
I don't want to talk something. This thing when I also. This one, you know, get one female actress. That cost you.
wait till me last take.
Last take, all women.
Wait. Allah, you want something?
No,
so cousin.
No,
Time no be our friend
no,
though.
she's a motivational speaker. That joke, because you know you're my friend.
Oh yeah. Just give me
like
your
I
last
was
take on
saying,
top of it.
like I support that last statement when Joyce talk. In order compulsory, say you must marry man where you suffer with. But like they say, success they attract both negative and positive. So if your man is successful, notice say so many challenges go come meet him. So you go fit still help him to fit contain those challenges them. And when man don't be successful, you go find out say whether I like them or women go come around the man. when women they come around the man, you as a woman, one of the things that you will fit hold your man, pump him. Now say, not distrust the man, not try to say you not trust the man again. Because if you not trust the man and he not they do what you did, you go feel make her say, okay, make a good one, make her say what you want to do.
Yeah,
true. But for a good man, if you are a real man, and you know say woman suffer with you, and you know say you love the woman, nothing wrong for you to make that woman up to the level when we say you want, or any class, or if you say the woman not rich. But for the women,
yeah, Joyce,
The
sharp,
thing
sharp.
be say, if woman won't go to any relationship, church is there. If you go church, this guy where I want date to, how in future be, church is there like that. They go tell you, they go tell bring the guy, they go read the hand.
We always do. This is the way they do.
No.
I'm saying you don't plan to leave us for you.
Bosco, give me your own last take sharply.
They say violence, they take her by force. It don't mean say you go take your own by force. If destiny no be your own, you know if you get her. Anything maybe where you know say you want to do for a person, where you define blessing for the thing, where you want make the man bless you, then you are not doing it from your real heart. Make this and God will bless you because teacher the word now for heaven.
Yes, anyhow we build. I don't hear every way everybody's song you now today. Bro, Sigos, I hail you, man. Thank you, say you come out back.
I hail
I hail you.
I
He hail him.
hail
I Joyce now, eh? Thank you, say.